Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in Twitter marketing we'll discuss some of the best strategies to implement for Twitter marketing. What are those best strategies that we'll look into today? Let us look at these points. 9 top Twitter marketing strategies. Number 1, competitor research and analysis. Before you actually launch your Twitter marketing campaign, create a Twitter business page, do extensive research on your competitors, what they are doing, how they are doing, what kind of page they have created, how they have optimized their account, how many followers they have, who these followers are, and how they are interacting with them, the kind of tweets, the images, the videos. Do extensive research on your competitors. The more you do it, the better you will be placed to execute your own campaign. Define goals and objectives. You should know clearly what is that you want to achieve from your Twitter marketing campaign. What are your goals? What are your objectives? What do you want to achieve? You have to define it very clearly. Number 3, optimize the profile page. The more you optimize completely your profile page in terms of the banner, in terms of the profile picture, in terms of the bio, in terms of the kind of experience that you have, complete optimization of your profile is extremely important. Number 4, the content strategy. That is what actually drives traffic. That is what actually gets you the followers. The content strategy has to be built. What kind of content that you want to publish, what kind of images do you have, what kind of videos you have, how consistently you want to tweet, what are the services, the solutions, the product that you have got, and what is that you want to do it on what particular day and what particular time. The content calendar. These are extremely crucial points. So they put in place an effective content strategy. 5, connect with targeted audience. Just do not go randomly at following people. You don't know who they are. You need to actually know exactly who your customers are and where they are located, and do targeted marketing. Follow people targetedly. Then you have to integrate your social media friends. Extremely important. When you have created an account on Twitter, you may also be having accounts on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on Instagram. What you need to do is you invite those friends into your Twitter account, because you are already friends there. The more you do it, the more the number of followers you will get. Number 7, grow traffic Twitter following. The more you grow your Twitter following, the better for your engagement. Interact, communicate and engagement. The more you interact, communicate and engage with your people, tweet consistently with images and videos, it will play a big role. Now lastly, number 9, listen, understand and offer solutions. First and foremost, you need to have good amount of followers. Then you should have been consistently interacting and communicating with them. Then you need to understand what they are want. You need to provide customer solution. Then customized solution. Then you need to drive traffic. Then you are going to drive them into taking your services, generating leads and converting them into customers. So these are the fundamental 9 points that you need to implement. Then you have some of the new and emerging strategies. Personalized content. When you build your content strategy, the content strategy has to be not just generic content that you create. Okay, this is what we are going to tweet today. Have personalized content. The more customized and personal content targeted towards your targeted audience, that is extremely important. Customer experience. Customers today are very clever and they know exactly what they want. They are very smart and they are the most informed people. When they want to buy something, they do extensive research because they have so much of information available to them on their fingertips. They do it on Google, they do it on social media, they do it on all social media platforms before coming to a conclusion what to buy and when to buy and from where to buy. They are informed people. So what kind of customer experience that you are going to provide and how different you are in providing customer service is actually what makes the difference between acquiring the customers. Video content plays a very important role. Videos are going to the future. People want to know the product, they want to see the product live on the video. It is not just the description in terms of the text. People want to see the video, how the product looks like and what are the features it offers before they buy. Have video content in your tweets. Twitter polls, again, a best and the right way actually to communicate with your people. Organize Twitter polls. Emoji experiences, extremely important. The expressions of the emojis play a very important role, and they add that funny knack of things. They actually try to have the kind of feeling, a personalized feeling, an interactive feeling. So emoji expressions, use them extensively in your tweets. Then you have some of the useful strategies. Direct messaging can be done on Twitter. You can send a direct message to a particular follower if both are following each other. Be responsive. The more you are responsive, the more alert you are, the more quick in responding, the better. Repeat content. The content that you have published last week or 10 days back, you can just customize them, tailor made them, and you can use them again. It is possible, and most of the companies do this. Join conversations. When a conversation is happening, if you are not involved there, if you know what this topic is all about, if you know what this subject is all about, join those conversations. Leverage analytics, extremely important. No matter how much successful your campaign is, understand, leverage, track, report, and take informed decisions based on the analytical information that Twitter Analytics offers you. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is 9 top Twitter marketing strategies that you can think of implementing, new and emerging strategies, and of course some of the useful strategies. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.